today I'm going to check on this little hive. I'm just going to check on here. We're going to give them a little bit of smoke. This is a new hive that I've been paying some attention to simply because it's got a new queen in it. The hive next door over here seems to be coming over and doing some robbing on the sugar water. It's a small hive, so we're just going to check into it. I'm just going to feed today, make sure I understand what's going on in here. The temperature's up really good today, so I want to do this and make sure they got plenty of sugar water. Move this smoker. My smoker going good, starting to use a little bit more. I like the cotton. I'll tell you, the burlap helps me get it kind of going. It's good. I don't see anything up in the top here, but I really just want to make sure we got sugar water. Got some sugar water. I'm going to fill it up while I'm here. Keep the robbing down. Watch out, little bees. They're all over it, boy. Shouldn't do that. I'm going to pour a little bit more in here. Well, you can really see them coming up through the inside. Pour more sugar. Watch out, little bees. You're going to get stuck. I don't want you to get stuck in here. Alright. You end up getting stuck in there, though. Alright, let me get this put up. I think a lot of it is robbing from next door. I want to try to correct that as much as I can. I don't want to get in there much more. I really just wanted to put the top back on, see if we can stop this, but we'll see. Okay, let me take a look and see what we see here. Bees are going in and out. I put a reducer plate on here. Put a screen over the top of this one. I'm not 100% sure I got it set back right. I want to make sure they can't get in. It should be right there. Okay. I'm trying to limit these bees that are coming from the other one. They're all trying to get in this top one, most of them. I'm trying to make sure that the bees that belong are going in the bottom. Bees that don't stay in the top. It's weird how that works. And hopefully we can keep these out of here that don't belong. Fix that reducer a little bit better. Okay. All right, so that's what's going on with that one. Tell you what, I'm going to come over and also check the feed in this main hive while we're here. Might as well pop it open. I'll give you a little bit of smoke there. It's not going to hurt anything. Let you know I'm coming in. They're a little aggravated, but not too bad. This is a pretty good little hive here. Other than them stealing all my sugar water from next door. All right. I got that new little queen. I'm trying to make sure she has a chance. And these bees are they're getting ready for winter, as they should be. But they're also taking advantage of a smaller hive next to them. So let's see. They're not even coming up and getting this sugar water. There's some bees in here getting it, but there's still a lot of sugar water left in there. So I'm going to leave this. I'm not going to mess with it. It's not very old, so it's fine to reuse. I don't see too much else in here. Maybe a stray ant or two. Always checking on that. A couple of ants. The bees are taking care of that. All right. Okay, well, let me pop this top back on here real quick. I'll buckle this down, but that's real quick. For this feeder, for this hive, everything's going real well. For the hive over here, just need to keep watching it, make sure they're doing okay. All right, see you next time. Subscribe, Sandcastles and Honeybees.